For over 25 years, Cimatron has been a leading provider of integrated CAD/CAM solutions for toolmakers and manufacturers of discrete parts. Cimatron's integrated solution for die makers covers the entire die-making process from quoting to design, through engineering changes, all the way to NC and EDM programming. In this demonstration, we will show you how Cimatron provides the die-making expert with the ideal mix of automation and user control to help you design the strip for manufacturing this part. The part we have chosen for this demonstration represents some demanding challenges faced by die makers. We will begin by opening the Die Wizard. You can import a part file from any major CAD system and in any format. Cimatron provides one of the strongest translation packages in the market. An intuitive wizard gives you the flexibility to create a strip of a single part, two mirror parts, or two totally different parts. In this demo, we will create a part and its mirror. We will now focus on forming the first part. Cimatron offers powerful built-in finite element analysis tools to perform real-time thickness and safety zone analysis, predicting potential failure areas in the model. These tools are always accessible from within the system, allowing for instant analysis of any modification made to the part at any point in time. The part we use in our example requires a 3D carrier. You can easily create a 2D or 3D carrier using Cimatron's Rich Surfaces package. Cimatron's intuitive working environment offers powerful wireframe surfacing and solid functionalities, all readily available to complete any job to the highest standard. We will now copy the master in order to begin forming the necessary shapes for each station. For purpose of speed and ease of use, we perform all operations on a skin model. As a full hybrid system, converting back to a solid model is just as easy and a click of a button away. Here is an example of one of the many powerful tools we have embedded in the system to make your work easier and save you time. A dedicated automated function allows you to round the corners on this set of surfaces in just a single mouse click. The system provides immediate feedback on the screen to the actions you take. In the following station, we would like to flatten both sides of the part without impacting the rest of the part. However, we see that we will not be able to perform this operation without bending the carrier first. We have therefore decided to bend the carrier in this station. We will perform the bending operation in only a few clicks, as can be seen here with the aid of embedded wireframe functions. In order to be able to easily follow the process and facilitate communication in the toolshop, we will now color code the part by assigning different colors to each face based on the operation that would be performed in this station. This intelligent color coding contains much more information than just color and includes data and attributes that facilitate automation in the tool creation at a later stage. Having bent the carrier, we now copy the shape to create a new station to perform the desired flattening of the sides. The geometry we are dealing with here is rather complex, but the auto blank on binder function will help us flatten the right side of the part at incredible ease and speed. After selecting the fixed and form faces, a single mouse click activates the function, providing an accurate result in a few seconds. The left side is even more complicated to flatten. Defining the boundaries of the object can be a tedious, time-consuming and costly task with other systems involving a lot of trial and error. With Cimatron, a simple combination of manual and automatic operations helps us deal with this complicated case very quickly and accurately. First, we remove the object to be flattened. We will now extend the faces using the powerful embedded surfacing capabilities. The dimple will be extended using wireframe and surfacing operations. With CimatronE, it is easy to create a 3D contour using our leading wireframe technology developed specifically for toolmakers. We are now ready to activate the automatic blank on binder function that is fully embedded in the system. With a single mouse click, the system calculates and cuts the contour to perfection. That's it. So fast and easy, and providing an accurate and reliable result means you can now deal with any geometry and finish any job. We are now color coding the part to show the operation we will perform in the next station. In the next station, we will activate the automatic unbend function. We will begin by unbending the carrier and continue with unbending the non-dimpled faces in order to achieve the highest accuracy. The unbend function can unfold a geometry to any angle. In this case, we aimed for a 180-degree angle. As we can see, the automatic unbend function delivered only a partial result, and manual intervention is required to complete the task on the dimple. This is where the dedicated embedded CAD aid tools come in handy to complete the task quickly and successfully. CimatronE's unique import by reference function enables us to copy the rounded faces from the model on the previous station and place it onto the model on the right. At a click of a button, the copied geometry would automatically align itself to its desired place on the new model, taking into consideration the deformation that occurred to the part between the previous station and the new one. This is a good place to point out CimatronE's true solid surface hybrid environment, saving you precious time and helping you perform otherwise complicated operations with speed and ease. To save time, we will mirror copy the result achieved on the left. A beautiful result is attained in seconds. CimatronE guarantees that regardless of the complexity of the part, you would never get stuck and would always be able to complete the job to the highest standard. CimatronE covers all routine operations by applicative tools designed to increase productivity and make your work more enjoyable. One such example is the time-saving function dedicated to closing holes. It's as easy as pick a hole and close it in 2 mouse clicks. We now want to flatten the sections of the part marked in yellow. We have the flexibility to use different functions, and we will demonstrate 3 alternatives to perform the task. First, we will focus on 2 dimples in the center of the part and remove them with a single mouse click. Then close them with a flat face. The next 3 dimples will be flattened out using the built-in blanking functionality, which is always available from within the toolbar. We have incorporated into CimatronE the industry's fastest blanking capability, delivering an accurate and reliable result in seconds, as can be seen here with the new boundary created. We will now fill in the area defined by the new boundary. The two folded edges of the part seen here will be flattened using the built-in local blank functionality designed to perform a blanking operation on a defined selected area. The parameters used for the blanking calculations can be seen on the screen and can be edited at any point in time, if and when necessary. The next challenge is to unfold the internal faces, but a quick draft angle analysis reveals an undercut requiring special attention. CimatronE's analysis and measurement tools provide clear visual indications on the screen, helping you stay focused on your job. We will now unbend the part and recheck the draft angle to confirm the elimination of the undercut. The Auto Blank on Binder function instantly provides the desired unfolding result. The application supports even poor quality, non-solid data. We will now use the automatic unfolding function, capable of flattening multi-cylindrical faces in a single operation. Note the on-screen indications displaying relevant information as radius, K-factor, and arc length. The next station requires deep drawing and will be manufactured in 2 strikes. CimatronE's built-in analysis and measurement tools help you determine the required floor depth in the first phase. CimatronE's hybrid surface solid tools allow you to achieve the desired results quickly and easily. Another click of a button to achieve the final blank using the industry's fastest blanking capability. Even at this point, CimatronE offers you full flexibility to edit, add, remove, and rearrange the stations without worrying about the final strip. This flexibility is one of CimatronE's unique capabilities, much appreciated by die makers, using CimatronE as their drawing board, helping them take the right engineering decisions. Let's assume we have decided that we need to insert a totally new station in the spot indicated. In this case, it is possible to work our way backwards, insert a new station, and position it in the desired place using the virtual joystick. It is of course possible to perform any operation on the newly inserted shape. It is now time to design in the second row, which in this case would be an exact mirror copy of the original row. We will now move to designing the actual strip layout. The system offers automatic layout options along with complete overriding capabilities, empowering you with the full flexibility to design any layout applying your specific engineering considerations. CimatronE's nesting tools provide you with constant dynamic graphical feedback on the screen, including information on blank area, script scrap area, and progression area so that you can determine the most optimal material utilization. The system would also alert you in case you make illegal selections. It is time to determine the strip dimension and the number of progressions. Enjoy complete flexibility to determine the number of progressions, progression distance, and strip length. We will now create the internal and external trimming punches. Creating punches is incredibly fast. Simply point and select the location of the punch and the system will do all the rest for you. Note that CimatronE enables you to enjoy all the benefits and speed of working in 2D mode. Your output is actually created in the background in 3D. We can define a contour of a punch at a single click. The system knows that you are making a punch and will automatically create it for you, including the rounded corners. Although the process is automated, you have full control on all parameters at all times. You will immediately see the impact of your operation on the remaining strip. Working too fast? Don't worry. You will have a chance to see this again several times. External punches, carriers, and pilots are easily created with intuitive sketching tools. CimatronE is not just another ordinary CAD system, it is a CAD system designed specifically for toolmakers, understanding and predicting your moves for designing the different elements in your strip. In this example, the system understands that you are designing punches and helps you get the job done quickly and intuitively with minimum pointer moves and mouse clicks. Creating punches is as easy as 1, 2, 3. In the first step, we will create the punch, then position it anywhere on the strip, and finally, immediately view the impact this punch will have on removing material. Note again how fast and simple it is to define the contour of a new punch. Once designed, you can locate your punch anywhere on the strip with a single mouse click. You can see here how locating a green punch anywhere on the strip immediately removes material from that point onwards. We have completed creating the trimming punches for the upper row and can now use the copy mirror function to quickly create their mirrors for the opposite row. The mirror punches are instantly created automatically. Once created, you are now free to position them anywhere on the bottom row and not necessarily opposite their originals. We will now trim the excess blanks to make room for the forming punches. The first punches we will create are the deep drawing punches requiring 2 strikes for production. In order to achieve maximum accuracy, the first strike must occur in the second station, and the second strike must occur in the third one before the blanks are trimmed. CimatronE's unique progressive copy function helps you create these punches with incredible ease. Just copy the dimple and the progressive copy function will paste it in duplicates throughout the strip. Fast and simple. Adding a relief punch is also possible at this stage using the built-in sketching tools. And of course creating its mirror. All we need to do now is complete the strip by pasting the previously formed shapes onto their desired location on the strip. We have complete flexibility to edit the strip until we are happy with the result. As you can see, adding the formed shapes to the strip is as easy as pick and drop. Even at this stage, it is still possible to edit the strip, add or remove stations, change the strip dimension, and modify any of the formed shapes. Any changes made will automatically and instantly update the entire strip. That's it. Our 3D strip is done. We have seen here how CimatronE's dedicated CAD solution for die makers closely follows your work process and empowers you with a powerful yet easy-to-use set of tools to support your work. CimatronE helps you save trial and error iterations through the use of built-in analysis tools, automatic finite element-based functions, and the industry's fastest blanking capability. Never get stuck again. Enjoy the combination of automatic functions alongside powerful manual tools that can help you deal with any situation and finish any job to the highest accuracy and standard. Enjoy the speed of working in a 2D-like environment with the benefits of a 3D output, and overall increase the quality of your dies, reduce costs, and save time with CimatronE's solution for die makers.